Do we have an idea about the birth and death of the universe based on our own biological limitations? Not that we're not measuring, not that there's not a keen understanding of the radio frequency from the Big Bang and all, but just the idea. Do we put a limitation? Do we think of the idea of the universe beginning or ending based on our own idea of life and death, that these things must apply to all things that we see?
No, because until 1930s, we had no idea the universe would have a beginning. It was assumed, other than biblical account, scientifically, the universe just simply always was. There was no evidence for that, but we had no reason to think any other way about it. And so we didn't force the universe to have a beginning because that felt good to us. You're not going to do that unless you have authentic justification for it. So just no one really talked about it. I have books from that period. There is no chapter on cosmology. It ends with the starry skies of the night. It's starting with the discussion of the planets. And it doesn't even go there because it doesn't know to go there until you have data forcing the question.
There wasn't enough information.
Correct. And then we say, oh my gosh, the universe is expanding, discovered by Hubble in 1929. That means it's bigger today than it was yesterday. It's bigger yesterday than it was the day before. Let's run the clock back.
What about...
Could all the universe have been in the same place at the same time? That meant it might have had a beginning. That's what started.
Say that again?
If we're expanding,
right,
run the clock back, we were smaller in the past. Could the whole universe been in the same place at the same time at some distant point? If it was, that means the universe had a beginning. That's when the whole conversation began about the universe having a beginning. It had nothing to do with the fact that we're born and we live out our lives and die. It had nothing to do with that.